I'm getting higher just to feel ya, cause I need to. No one knows it, I just frozen from your poison. Taking the potion just to feel ya, cause I miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. I love you, God, there's no settling. I can pretend that we're nothing. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. I think that
So we're gonna have a quick unboxing. So this is the box it comes with. It looks extremely nice and extremely premium. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. So inside the box we have the light itself. We have the stand which magnetically attaches to this spot right here. It does feel a bit heavy and a bit bulky, but it looks really amazing. So this is the Type-C connector. So you connect this to your monitor or you can connect it to a power source. So putting this to the side, we have the controllers right here. So this has multiple control systems. So actually this runs with the battery. So you just have to take the back off and you put in your AA batteries right here. So we have the manual also. The manual is in Chinese. So we're just going to put this to the side. So this is the light itself. It looks really nice and really premium. Not really heavy. So that's something that's really nice. I really like the look and the feel of it. So like I said, you magnetically attach it right here and you can connect it to the back of your computer, which is something that's really, really nice. So we're going to switch back to the desktop now, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks and the control settings that we use right here, as it uses a wireless control. So this is the Xiaomi monitor light bar. It is definitely one of the monitor light bars that I really love using right now, especially with the fact that it has the wireless controller. So with the wireless controller, the functions are actually pretty easy. All you have to do is press down to turn it off and press down to turn it on. You can also increase and reduce the lighting, which is absolutely awesome. You can also press down to change the color of the light, which I really, really like. You can change it to a warm color depending on your type of eyesight. So this is definitely one of the best monitor lights that I have seen right now, and it's definitely one that I use a lot. It's really amazing, and like I said, the wireless controller is definitely something that I really enjoy using a lot. So I just wanted to show you guys the monitor light that I use, and it is definitely one of the best out there, and I would definitely recommend you guys get the Xiaomi monitor light with the wireless controller. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.